and welcome to my channel, U.S. Visa Journey. My name is Thomas Lappin and I'm an attorney licensed to practice law since 1997. My practice focuses on immigration law for clients here in the U.S. and abroad, as well as criminal defense for clients in California. How do I bring my relative from outside the U.S. here to the U.S. legally? Or how do I help my relative who's already living here change their status or become quote-unquote legal here? It's a very complicated question, and obviously I cannot answer every question here in this short video, but I will give you an overview. Let's start with a relative who's outside the United States. U.S. immigration law allows U.S. citizens and lawful permanent residents bring some relatives here in the U.S. legally. This process, when done abroad, is called consular processing. If done here in the U.S., it's called adjustment of status. For example, a U.S. citizen can bring their spouse or their child who's under 21 years of age with no quote-unquote waiting period for the visa. They're known as immediate relatives, and even though there is a processing time, and the process could take 1 or 2 years, the visa itself is immediately available. There's no waiting period for the visa, and there's no cap on the number of visas that can be issued in any calendar year from the government. There's also a U.S. citizen who's over 21 can also bring their parents to the United States, and they are also immediate relatives. Then there are what's called priority categories. These are categories, for example, where a U.S. citizen can bring their sibling, a brother or sister, here to the U.S. That's what's called a fourth preference. These priority-based visas can sometimes take years before they are available to the immigrant. For example, the Philippines, India, and China have their own waiting periods, sometimes up to 20 years before you can bring that relative. That changes constantly. The U.S. government calendar year goes from October 1st to September 30th, so new visa numbers are available on October 1st and are depleted throughout the year, sometimes to the point where they're no longer available until the new year resets on October 1st. It's important to reach out to an attorney who has experience with these types of cases to be sure that you don't miss a deadline and that you are utilizing that visa as soon as it becomes available through the priority date.